Hey kids! Are you ready to embark on an amazing adventure through the sky? Today, we're going to learn about all kinds of exciting air transportation, so buckle up and let's take off. First up, we have the helicopter. Look at those spinning blades. Helicopters can take off and land straight up and down, which makes them super helpful for rescues and flying to places without runways. Here comes an airplane. Airplanes are great for long trips. They zoom through the sky, carrying people to faraway places. Whoa! Check out the cargo plane. This giant flies heavy loads of goods all around the world. It's like a flying delivery truck. And here's a drone. These little guys can fly without a pilot on board. People use them for all sorts of things, like taking pictures and delivering packages. Hold on tight. Here's a rocket blasting off to space. Rockets are super strong and fast, carrying astronauts and satellites into the great beyond. Next, we have the Space Shuttle. It's like a space airplane that carries astronauts to space and back. How cool is that? Look at that Speedy Fighter Jet. These jets are used by the military and can fly really fast to protect the skies. Here's a fun one, the Biplane. With its 2 wings, it's perfect for doing amazing stunts and tricks in the air. And here's a propeller plane. These planes use propellers to move through the air. They're great for shorter trips and smaller airports. Wow! Look at those paragliders. They use big parachute-like wings to glide through the air, making it look so peaceful and fun. Check out the hot air balloons. These beautiful balloons float up high by using hot air. It's like a gentle ride in the sky. Here comes a zeppelin or a blimp. These giant airships are filled with gas that makes them float. They're perfect for advertising and giving aerial tours. And last but not least, the Seaplane. These amazing planes can take off and land on water. They're perfect for exploring lakes and oceans. Wow, wasn't that an incredible journey? We've seen so many awesome ways to fly through the sky. Thanks for joining us on Kiddies Adventures on TV, and keep dreaming big, little aviators. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until then, goodbye.